Welcome to my channel ICT blog. Today we'll learn binary addition. First we need to know the addition of the simple binary numbers. Adding 1 and 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Adding 1 and 1 is 10, because we know that adding 1 and 1 to the decimal number is 2, and the binary number of decimal 2 is 1. So binary 1 and 1 is 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then we start our math. First we can see that 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. But we will write 0 with 1 in a hand, which is called carry in the language of ICT. Carry must be added to the left column. Okay. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And carry is added. Carry is added, that one. Again, 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. And that carry is added, that summation of 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, and that 1 plus carry 1 is 10. Again we write 0 and carry in hand, and also we write down the carry in the left column. 0 plus 0 is 0, and that 0 plus 0 is 0, and that 0 plus carry 1 is 1. We have no carry. 1 plus 1 is 0. We have carry 1, and 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 0, and that 0 plus 1 is 10. We write down 0. We have carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. We have no carry. 1 plus 1, 10. We are doing another of this rule of the practice. Well, so let us start. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 10. We write down 0. We have 1. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. I have no carry. 1 plus 1, 0. We have carry 1. Again 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. We have no carry. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1, 10. Okay. Now we see that 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1, 1. Yeah. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Many of us are hesitant about 3-row binary addition. How to do it? Adding the first 2 rows. Adding the first 2 rows is equal to 10. Adding the first 2 rows is equal to 10. And bottom 1 and the 1 to the bottom row, that 1 to the bottom row with sum 10 is 11. Adding adding the first two rows. First two rows, 1 is 1 equal to 10, and adding 1 to the bottom row with that sum. That sum of 10 is 11. I think you can understand. Sorry, 1 plus 1 is 10. Write down 0. We have carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10, and the 10 plus carry 1 is 11. We write down 1. We have carry 1. 1 plus 0, 0. Sorry, 1 plus 0 is 1, and that 1, and carry 1 is 10. We write down 0. We have carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus carry 1 is 1. We have no carry, so 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again, 1 plus 1, 10. We write down 0. We have carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10, and the 10 plus carry 1 is 11. Again, we are doing another of this rule to practice well. When we add this to the notebook or exercise book, we need not to write whole carry. Just write 1 with pencil. We'll delete it with eraser at the end of calculation. Okay, let's start. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, 10. We write down 1. We write down 0, and we have carry 1. Here we will not write full carry 1. We only write 1. 0 plus 0 is 0, and carry 1 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 10. We have carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10, and 1 plus 1, 10. The 10 plus carry 1 is 11. We write out 1, and we have carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10. Okay. Another one. I think you have completed. 1 plus 1, 10. We write down 0. We have carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0. We have carry 1. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 10. The 10 plus carry 1 is 11. Then we have carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 10. We write down 0. We have carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10, and that carry 11. 1, and that we have carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10.